Welcome to the world of Explore. This is Tamara Stark, the Explore Program Coordinator, and I'm going to provide you with a brief tutorial about how to register for an Explore class. The first thing you need to know is that you go to suncitywest.recsolutions.com for the direct link to the Explore website. And again, that's suncitywest.recsolutions.com. Rec Solutions is spelled REC solutions.com. And on that side, you'll see a gray banner. And if you've already taken an Explore class, then you just go to log in and you put in your username and password. If you've not taken a class before, then you go to sign up, and I'm going to show you that option right now. So with sign up, you will be creating an account for yourself, and it will look like this. You insert a username, make up a password, put your first name, your last name, your email address, your street address, zip code, phone number, etc. Indicate your gender. If you have a mobile phone that you'd like us to have, please include that. And then click the box that says accepting our privacy policy, and then it will automatically let you go to sign up. So you'll click at the bottom under sign up. And of course, now it's telling me that we haven't filled anything in, which is right. So once you've signed up, though, I will go back and I will actually come in with a login for you. So that's the easy way to sign up, create an account. Now, the one thing that's important here is each person has to have a separate account. So if you are a couple, you cannot register your spouse or your partner with you. They need to have a separate account. So I'm going to pretend like you now have an account. We're going to go up to login, and I'm going to log in using the administrator code, which is who I am. Okay, and I will put my password in. And it's saying it's invalid. So if you run into this problem, which some of you will because you can't remember your password, what you do is you either go back in and you try what you think is your password again. Let's see if it works for me this time. Okay, I'm in now. If you have the same problem and it doesn't let you in, the option that you have is to click on your username. It will send you an email asking you to reset your password. So it will require you to take a little bit of time to go back and reset a password, but once you do that, then it will ask you up here to save it. I recommend that you save it each time so you don't have to lose it again. So now it's brought you successfully into the registration page. So let's say that today I've decided that I want to take the barbecue becoming a grill master. So I click on that, sign up where it shows the people icon, and I want to know more about it. So once I click on it, I can go to the page that allows me to register. And then I can decide if I want to do it or not. But if I just want to click and find out more about the class itself, I click on the name of the class, and then it will tell me what I'm going to be barbecuing today. I'm going to be making chicken, pork tenderloin, etc. And then I can go back and register myself for the class. So I will go back now and put myself in to register. Okay. And so I'm going to put a name in. I'm going to put myself in for just a minute, so you'll have to bear with me because I'm doing it as if I'm taking the class, which actually is probably not a bad idea since I love barbecue. And what it's showing me here is that I put myself in the class, and now I go to the $sign, and it's going to ask me to pay for it. So this is a screen that you'll see when you're ready for payment. And it will show, in order to pay, I need to click on this box. I'm not going to do it because now it will think that I'm in the class. But I'll click on this box, and then I go down to this box, which gives me the option of how I'm going to pay. Most of the time, because you're doing this at home, you'll probably be paying with a credit card. And you can use Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. And then, so you click down here for paying with the credit card, and then say pay selected items. So I'm not going to go that far with mine because otherwise it will look like I am actually taking the class. But once you get to that point, it will allow you to pick if you're going to use Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. You insert your numbers, your expiration date, and also your 3-digit code. And then it will give you the option to complete the payment. Once you've done that, the system will send you a confirmation email. And that email will tell you where the class is. It will tell you what you've signed up for and how much you've paid. It's not necessary to bring that confirmation with you to the class because you're now on the class roster. And when you get to the class, your name will be there and all they will do is check you off as having attended the class. But let's say that you wanted to register and you wanted to sign up for 2 classes. So I'll show you what you do next. So let's say that I decide I'm going to take the bidding and bridge class. So I look at that and I go back and I say, oh, I really do want to take that. I've read what it is. I'm going to sign myself up. So here I get myself signed up. And then I say, okay, see again, because I'm the administrator, it's not letting me sign up by myself, but I will sign up as Tamara Stark again. And now I want to take another class. So I just go back out and I find another class and I decide I want to take the estate planning overview. So I also put myself in that class. So what you can do is I can look at the list, I can go back and I say, okay, I like that class, I'm going to sign myself up, and here I go. And then I'm going to go back to my account, I'm going to put myself in, and then I will put myself in the class again. And now I just click on my name and go to my account, and it will show me what I have yet to pay for. So now it's got me in all 3 classes: barbecue, bidding and bridge, estate planning. And again, now I can decide how I want to pay. If for some reason you're not comfortable using your credit card, or you just don't want to use it, you're welcome to bring cash or a check into the front desk at the rec center during the week between 9 and 2 p.m. And you can leave it at the front desk and just let them know that you're paying for some Explore classes and your name. And then I will go in the next day and input your payments into the system. So again, the big thing about the registration here is that you do need your own account. So I'm going to pretend again like we're coming in, and so now I'm brand new to the system. I'm going to show you the sign up again one more time. It will look like this. You go in and you create an account for yourself with a username, password, your first name, your last name, your email address, etc. If you do not have an email address, you still need to make up one. So just make a pretend one, so that because it will not complete your registration until you have done that. And then once you've done that, if you want to, if you've already signed up, then you just go to login. And again, it will ask you for your username and password, like it's done with mine here as the administrator. You input those and then you just say login. And it will take you back to the registration system screen. Another option you have is if you cannot find this through your browser, you can go in through the Sun City West website, which looks like this beautiful site with the picture of the Johnson Pool, etc. And you go under things to do at the top of the page. Click on that, and at the bottom you'll see Explore in this little box down here. And again, it will take you directly to the site. So there you have it. If you have any questions or any problems, please call me at 623-544-6194, and I'd be glad to help you register or make the payment. And also, if you have ideas for classes or you'd like to teach a class, please give me a call. Again, my number is 623-544-6194. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you at an Explore class soon.